टिके पैसा कम
हम्म
ए चाष कर करे टिके नून हेले कि ए चावल हेले केने आनु
किणा में हो जाउछे बे आगुर एते सुविधा नथिला नै कि हैं आ किछि घर द्वार बनेबाटा घर करलो कि पुरा से ऊपर घर तमटा परा ए कोन पाकटा हैं नहीं घर द्वार बड़ बड़ कल कि आजबेस्ट पकेलो कि कोन साइकिल किनलो कि नहीं किछि गुड परिवर्तन पाइलो हैला कि तम किछि गुड परिवर्तन तमे फील करछो हैला बोल करी He says that he is feeling the changes what has happened after using the technology. Previously he was not able to bring buy rice for his family or think of some studies for his education for his children or making constructing a house or developing the appearance of his house or something. But nowadays he is doing that. He has spent a lot of money for his children's education, and nowadays he's a bit free. I mean, he's a bit independent. Whenever he thinks he wants money, he's having some money with him.